Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Oriflame. You may be looking for an Oriflame review, or you may just be looking to see if Oriflame is any sort of a scam or a pyramid scheme. Now, full disclosure, I just want to say I am not a member of Oriflame, so I'm not trying to sell you on this. All I'm just doing, giving you a full unbiased reviews, because I used to look at things like this. I used to be in a lot of MLM companies myself. So what I do now is I look at things like this and I give my honest opinion. I've been marketing online for over 5 years, so I can give you my honest opinion on what I think. Then you can decide whether or not you want to get involved in Oriflame for yourself. Alright, then that being said, here's their site. They are a big company. They're floated on the NASDAQ, so they're a very big company. They've been around for a little while. They have branches, or they market to all over the world, really, apart from America. They do Latin America, but they don't do main America. They said they were thinking about branching to America, but I think the rules are a bit too stringent in America. A lot of these types of companies have been taken down. A lot of these kind of MLM, health and wellness and healthcare and body type companies have been taken down in main America, as the rules are a little bit too stringent. So they haven't branched into America as of yet, and they said they were going to, but they didn't. Here is the one. There's Oriflame UK. So the products they mainly focus on are skincare, makeup and fragrance. They say that all the products are made in Sweden, but then they do market all around the world. Yeah. Most people, when they're wanting to join this, they're actually looking to make some money from this as a business opportunity. Now, making money from this, then, there's only really two ways. Like with all of these types of companies, you make money from either recruiting other people as consultants, they're calling it a consultant, or from selling the products. So from the products, there's a beautiful catalog. They do have a very, very lovely catalog. I looked at it. It was very nice. And you get to use the digital catalog when you're selling as well, but they don't force you to use the catalog. But yeah, so what will happen if you want to sell the products? You buy the products off them at a cheaper rate. You probably get a starter pack, and you can sell them at a 30% commission. So you make your 30% commission on the sale of the products. But where most people try and you make the most money is by recruiting other people. So the one thing I didn't like about this is when I went on there, I was trying to find the commission plan so that I could explain that. You need to know how much commission you're going to be making from things, and there's nothing on there. You can look all over the site. I looked all around the site. I eventually did find a commission plan, and for me, it's very, very complicated. It talks about personal bonuses and bonus values, BV points. It also said that in order to get a commission, you have to have purchased 200 BV bonus value points in products. So every month you have to have 200 BV points, but we don't know what the BV points are. We don't know if you get one product and that's 200 BV points. It's not very clear. It's not clear at all how you make these 200 BV points so as you can make your own commissions. So you will get bonuses. You get personal bonuses from the more products that you sell, and you will get bonuses for recruiting people. The more people you recruit, they were talking about gold bonuses, sapphire bonuses for the more people you recruit. So it's just a traditional MLM type structure, but because it's been around for a while, I wouldn't call this a scam. I don't think it has any sort of scam value to it, and also, it does pay out. Where I think people will struggle, even though they're going to give you a website, they're going to give you a beautiful website like this, they're going to give you training, but it's a very, very similar structure. They're going to tell you how you have to go out and build your warm list. Warm list being friends and family that you tell about this. Maybe you try and sell them some of the fragrances, some of the products, and then you try and recruit them as consultants as well, to become a consultant. And that tends to see what happens is you run out of your warm list very, very quickly. So, your friends and family might buy a few things off you because they're just trying to support you, but they don't want to be a consultant. They're not business opportunity minded. Then they'll tell you to go and just tell everybody. Go and tell everybody out there. People are interested in making money. People are interested in, makeup, fragrances. Just tell anyone you can see, and you're gonna make money that way. They actually make a statement that if you tell 5 people about this, 1 in 5 will want to be a consultant. That's not the case. That's just, if you look at the stats, really, truly, it's a lot less than that. And after a while, you become this like irritant that people are trying to run away from. So anyway, that's where I think people will struggle with something like this, with the traditional MLM, unless you have marketing skills and you know how to position yourself in a way where people are going to want to find you. People who are looking for this type of thing, who are looking for an MLM business opportunity in this niche, will find you if you position yourself. But you've got to learn how to market. So, it's up to you if you want to get involved in something like this. For me, it's a no-no. I don't like the way that they hide the compensation plan. If you are interested in doing something that's a lot more newbie friendly, it's a lot better for people that are starting brand new. You don't have to build big downlines. You don't have to worry about stuff like that. It's just very, very simple, newbie friendly. Then this is what I personally believe you should have a look at. I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that. You can go and have a look. It's a completely free video. Have a look at the video and see if it's for you. If it's for you, then you can go forward. It's entirely up to you. There's no hard sell here. If you want to have a look, I'll leave links below this video. Anyway then, guys, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please take the time to give it a thumbs up, like it, and share it with anyone else you believe will get some value from this as well. Alright then, guys, so till next time, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best.